Do I know how to open this?
Wow!
Okay, seriously? He couldn't breathe in there.
Can we take all the toys out?
What do you mean all the toys? It's George. He can't get his little body out. Oh, he's so cute. Look, he's got his little shirt on. Oh, look how cute he is. Oh, sweet.
A point is on him.
Oh, he's adorable. You give him a big hug? Oh, he's George.